factory, we checked the premises, and then we just had a word with all the people who were working there. Then we informed the food inspector. The officials came, they verified how this entire thing is operating. They said that from oil and some chemicals, they mix salt, and then they have a complete unit, and then the butter comes, and then they pack it in Amul's wrappers, and then they sell it. Yes, we had called the Amul manager and their whole team. They came, they verified that, they said that they have not given any franchisee or any authorization to this unit to manufacture this.
We found that about 239 kgs of butter was manufactured at the premise, and the labels that were used were of Amul, and many adulterants such as Vanaspati ghee and monoglyceride etc. were also found there. So now we are already suspended the license and registered an FIR with the police. Regular inspections coupled with various awareness programs and immediate action on the complaints are some of the major things we do to ensure that the consumer gets the right kind of product.
Apeksha Srivastava is tracking the story as well for us. Apeksha, you know, this is extremely worrisome. This is one of those products which is there in practically every household in Mumbai. The fact that one unit has been found to be operating illegally, is there a concern that there could be other units? What's the latest on this, please?
Well, Afrida, as of now, the police has busted this racket, and it's one unit in Thane, and it is a full-fledged factory that was operating with a proper storage system, with proper, provisions to produce this butter. And if you look at the packaging, it actually looks like the real, Amul butter. It's very difficult to look at. They've used the same carton, the outside box which is used, the butter paper which is used for packaging. It looks absolutely like the real Amul butter. But it is nothing, but it has been copied, it is fake, and inside the content what you see is actually adulterated Vanaspati ghee. Now this particular unit produces almost 1,000 kilo of fake butter on a daily basis, and the cause of concern over here, Afrida, is the fact that this goes to restaurants and food joints in 3 major cities, in Pune, in Mumbai and in Thane. Now while the police have seized about 1,000 kilograms, now it's very difficult to trace as to where all this fake butter may have reached, which all restaurants, and so the next time when people go out, they should be mindful of the butter which is being used. And the police now is just waiting for the FDA report, where the FDA officials were also present at this spot when it was being raided. They've taken samples and they've confirmed that this is nothing but adulterated Vanaspati ghee in the name of Amul butter, and there were certain adulterants like skimmed milk powder and certain amino acids which were used to produce this butter. And the Thane Rural Police now only waiting for the FDA, the official FDA report, so that they can now file an FIR and arrest the unit owners and the workers which were working in the unit, Afrida.
Right, it's a massive crackdown there, one that we will track very closely with you, Apeksha. Many thanks for joining us with the latest.